He's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride with